How to remove green screen in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your CapCut application. Then tap on New Project. After that, select a green screen video or a photo. Now add the video. After that, tap on the clip. Now you will see an option of remove background. Go over there. Now go to Chroma Key. Then drag the color to the green screen and then click on it. Now, as you can see, the green screen is gone. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.